Welcome. If you want to connect your Android smartphone to Xiaomi Mi TV 4S, I will show you how you can make it in a few easy steps. So at the first, we have to reach the settings icon. Next, we have to go below for remotes, right here. Right now, select to add a new accessory. Next, you have to grab your Android phone, just like that. Enable Bluetooth. You can make it by tapping on the Bluetooth icon on the shortcut list, but also you can enter for these options and click on the switcher to enable Bluetooth feature. As you can see, our Mi TV appears right here. We can also click here and perform the refresh of the list to be sure that we are here, but basically you have to select your Mi TV. And right now we will get this request pairing option. So we have to grab our remote control and simply click pair. Take a look. It also appears on the phone. So select pair, just accept the same pairing notification. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected on our smartphone. We can tap one more time because it takes too much time. Honestly, we can just go back right now. Okay, as you can see, here we are. It was probably some kind of the bug. It appears like we have to connect one more time. But right now we are connected with our smartphone. So we connected our smartphone successfully to this TV. We can rename or just unpair. You can decide what you want to make. And in the next video I will show you how you can screencast. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.